It is 6:14. Welcome back. The Bakersfield Condors are looking to make sure that you get tested for the coronavirus. This morning, Matt Riley, president of the Condors organization, is joining us live to talk more about what they're doing to help entice more people to get tested. Matt, thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Mike. Appreciate it.
You made your big debut during the health department's live press conference last Thursday. And I just want to say, what was the conversation like leading into that as the state puts more metrics involved with us trying to move up in the tiers? And how did all that work between you and Ryan Alsop?
Yeah, well, I mean, the last 6+ months, like everybody, we've been, kind of in a state of limbo, wondering what's going to happen next and how we're going to get out of this, and just kind of thinking, what can we do to help ourselves, help small businesses, help get people back to work. And so when we saw them come out with their get tested and get free time off for county employees, it kind of spurred some brainstorming and so forth, and reached out to Ryan and saw what he thought about this idea. So basically, anybody that gets tested, they can enter to win 2 tickets for every event at the arena in 2021. And, hopefully it'll encourage folks to go get tested and bring a little awareness to the situation that, we're being penalized here in Kern County because we're healthy and not enough people are getting tested. So I went and tested last week. I'm going to go over to the Marriott. They're offering free testing today next door to the arena, and would encourage other folks to do the same.
Have you noticed, have you gotten any feedback as far as what this has done? So I know it's only been literally not even just about a week since this whole thing was announced. Did you get any sense from anyone that this is already starting to see an impact?
Well, I hope. I mean, we've gotten over 100 entries. So, I don't know if those were folks that were going to get tested anyway, or if this spurred it. But I've got to think, at least in some cases, this spurred them to get tested, and just more people talking about it, right? What's this thing, the arena's doing, and the Condors, and just kind of spur the conversation. And why are we doing it? Have had a lot of talked to a lot of people, and like, what are you doing? Why are you doing this? And then you can kind of explain to them what's going on. So again, here to partner with the county, and we want to go eat in restaurants, right? We want to go get downtown businesses up and get our friends back to working, and this is the best way we thought we could get to try to help that.
And the Condors, obviously one of those many businesses that help to spur business with other businesses just based on game nights and people coming downtown and visiting these other businesses to help out and whatnot. As far as the arena goes, you're right next door to the arena and everything. They've been empty for so long and look to stay empty until the next year. What's the impact really been on because you had to furlough almost all of your staff to begin with as well?
Yeah, for sure. We've got very few people on payroll right now, and trying to plan the best we can for games in early 2021. And obviously, as you said, the arena's been empty. I was able to get some painting done, so I guess that's a small silver lining. But yeah, we want to get people back to work and see Bakersfield like it used to be, and hopefully we can get there in the next few months. You've
been in this game for a long time, Matt. The AHL went ahead and put out a tentative start date for December 4th. You're looking at it now. That's almost 2 months from now. Is that realistic, or like you just mentioned, are we looking at 2021 to start playing?
Yeah, I think we're looking at early 2021, and we're doing everything we can to plan. But with us, we need some fans in the seats at least, and I think we could operate on a little bit of a less than capacity and so forth. But certainly ticket sales is our lifeblood. To get people there and enjoying the experience. And we'll get back there somewhere. There'll probably be some stair steps till we get back to, where we're operating in full go. But hey, we got to start somewhere. So let's do the right thing and get out there and test and do what we need to do to get Kern County up and rocking again.
Hey, and you could be the winner of those 2 tickets. Every event for a year. Goodness sakes. All right, Matt Riley, with the president of the Condors, joining us this morning. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.
See you soon.